Hello, Yesland. Medyo. Kwento ko na lang, paano ba ako naging top 3 ngayong month? Bali, sinunod ko lang yung mga payo ng mga pioneers ng Jerusalem. Ang payo nila sa akin, nila JM, nila Mike, tsaka yung 3J, buhos ads tayo, Kuya Ian, kasi this quarter, season to ng real estate. Marami tayong matutulungan, tsaka yung may help natin yung mga nangangarap magkaroon ng sariling bahay, itong quarter na to. Tapos yung pangalawa is related naman sa ating hashtag. Okay. Yan. February Act, yan. May mga action kaming ginawa to change or improve our skills, lalo na doon sa page namin tsaka sa mga video. Alam natin na ang the only constant in the world is change. Pero every change is parts of God's will, shaping us, guiding us, and leading us to the closer to who He wants us to become. Tulad sa pagmamahal ko sa ex-girlfriend ko noon, nasawa ko na ngayon, yung Disney princess ko. May mga action ako na ginawa to change para mag-stay ako sa puso niya. Hindi dahil kailangan ko, kundi dahil ginusto ko. Yan. Ganun din kay Yesland. If we want to be a top seller, we need to take action and improve ourselves one step at a time. Yung repeated action na ginagawa natin will turn as a habit that shapes our daily life and eventually our future. Kaya mamimili tayo kung good habits or bad habits yung gagawin natin. Ngayon, gusto ko i-share yung napag-aralan namin nung K-12 kami. Ito yung 7 habits of highly effective salesperson inspired by my friend Stephen Covey. Yeah. Number 1 sa habits niya is first, be proactive. May dalawang uri ng tao, isa reactive and the other one is proactive. Ang reactive, life happens to me. Inaantay niyan dumating ang problema, saka siya magre-react, maninisi, or makes excuses. Dapat maging proactive tayo. I make life happens. Gumagawa sila ng action bago dumating ang problema and take action and responsibility. Be the COE of your own life. Highly effective top salesperson don't wait for leads. They create opportunities. We take responsibility of our results, whether the market is good, slow, or we choose action over excuses. Number 2, begin with the end in mind. Yung mga top sellers natin, mga normal na tao lang din yan. May mga pinagdadaanan, lalo na sa health, physically, emotionally, spiritually, mourning on their loved ones. Tapos sasamahan pa ng stress, rejection from client, tsaka yung ghosting. Pero they keep on pushing para sa biggest way nila and their purpose in life. Kagaya ni Yesland, meron tayong clear vision. 1 million happy and successful real estate professionals and clients. Dapat yun natin, may vision tayo, end in mind. And then third, put things first. Put first things first. Time is most valuable asset. Effective top sellers prioritize clients follow-up, property viewing, self-improvement, over distractions or bad habits. Tanim lang tayo ng tanim. Discipline today will leads to commission tomorrow. And the fourth habit is think win-win. Focus on helping others than selling. If your clients win, you will too. Long-term success comes from mutual benefit. And the fifth, seek first to understand than to be understood. Great salesperson listen more than they talk. By understanding clients' needs, budgets, and dreams, We can offer solution, basta masolve natin yung problema nila, automatic close yan. 6 is synergize. Hindi magiging top 1 ng Yesland, ang broker, top manager, or top salesperson na nag-iisa. No man is an island. Kailangan natin magtulong-tulong bawat isa. Maliit man yan o malaki, malaking ano na rin yan, big contribution na yan sa grupo. Always remember, teamwork multiplies success. And the last one, the 7th one, sharpen your saw. Top salesperson never stop growing. We invest in learning, health, faith, and mindset. As a salesperson, better thinks clearer and serves clients with excellence. These habits remain true success in real estate, starts from within. Skills may open doors, but character keeps them open. Kung susundin lang natin to araw-araw, ang mga habits na to, di magtatagal, kayo na ang next top seller na magsasalita dito. Thank you, and may we all continue to grow and as a highly effective top salesperson of Yesland Realty.
Happy Hearts Day, Yesland family! I'm SSP Jory Villa. So, wala akong naka-prepare na speech, pero parang gusto ko siyang i-align dun sa ACT Advance 2026. Honestly, 2025, bago matapos yung 2025, kami ni Mike is nag-strategize na kami kung ano yung gagawin namin sa 2026. Kasi for sure, kung ano yung ginawa namin noong 2024 and 2025, possible na hindi na rin siya basta-basta mag-work ng 2026. So, si Mike, alam niyo naman po na nag-aaral talaga siya ng Facebook ads. And actually, hanggang ngayon, nag-enroll pa rin siya sa mga trainings. Kasi patagal ng patagal, pa-high-tech talaga ng pa-high-tech yung technology natin. And hindi na basta-basta pwedeng mag-set up lang tayo ng Facebook ads, maglabas ng budget, ganyan. So, kailangan talaga din natin ng massive action. So, hindi lang tayo basta mamumuhunan. Kami talagang, actually, paglabas ng commission namin ni Mike, diretso na yun dun sa isang bank account. Siguro niluloadan na namin yun ng 30,000 per month. Talagang mas nauuna pa siya kaysa sa bahay yan sa kotse namin and sa other bills. Kasi talagang sinisecure na namin yung monthly budget namin for ads. Kasi dun kami kumikita and dun kami talaga nakakakuha ng leads. Kasi kung wala kaming Facebook ads, hindi kami magbabudget for that, wala kaming makukuhang leads. So, napakalaking bagay nun for, para sa iba, dito sa mga seats, para lang ma-aware kayo na ang business is kailangan nating maglabas ng pera para puhunan. Pero may other platforms naman like TikTok, Marketplace, Facebook page, pwede kayong mag-share ng mag-share if wala pa talaga tayong budget for that. Pero syempre, if gusto natin, kailangan gawan talaga natin ng paraan. So, kami po, kung mapapansin nyo naman po, lagi po talaga kaming nagta-top seller, pero minsan hindi, kasi ganun po talaga. Hindi po porket na nagta-top seller kami, talagang magaling na kami. Minsan sobrang sinisipagan lang po talaga namin. And napansin ko talaga na kahit anong galing ninyo, kung tatama rin naman tayo, hindi tayo kikilos, wala tayong action na gagawin, wala tayong plan or plan sa mga susunod na buwan, sa mga susunod na taon, is wala pong mangyayari. Babagsak at babagsak po talaga tayo sa business na tinatahak natin. So, for me, massive action po talaga yung pinakamahalaga dito sa real estate. Effort, puhunan, at saka talagang action. Action talaga, as in. Kasi kung tatama rin talaga tayo, wala tayong leads, kailangan mag-tripping tayo, kailangan maging masipag tayong sumagot sa mga clients, and mag-follow up. Yan, sobrang halaga ng follow-up. Kasi kung may Facebook ads tayo, pero hinahayaan lang natin sila, hindi natin sila kinakamusta, possible na mawawala yan. May times pa na pag kinamusta mo sila, nakakuha na sila, pero same project, mga ganyan. So, hanggat maaari, kung naglalabas na tayo ng effort puhunan, wag natin silang sasayangin and pakakawalan. So, ayun lang po, more sales sa buong Yesland family. Happy Valentine's Day! Thank you po!
Ayan, hello, Yesland family. Happy Valentine's Day. So, mga magkakadate tayo this day. Ayan, last year, real estate didn't just change my income. It changed my life. Because of this opportunity, I was able to travel to Vietnam with our family last year. And this week, February 8 hanggang kahapon, kakauwi lang namin. Nag-vacation kami, Hong Kong and Macau. And that's because of Yes Land, of course, dahil sa commission na hindi na-delay. And thank you, Broker Nico, dahil dyan. It wasn't just a trip. It was a reward for hard work, growth, and courage. There were dreams I was taught were impossible. My husband worked very hard, and I'm proud of him. But even with his stable job, traveling abroad like this was not easy to achieve. Real estate gave me another door, another stream of opportunity. It gave me flexibility, extra income, confidence, and powerful community. Real estate is not just about selling properties. It's about building relationships, growing personality, learning financial freedom, and creating experience for your family. Then I encourage you to have more time in real estate. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing. Because sometimes, one decision can open doors you never imagined. Thank you.